morning, everybody. We got a fun day today. We're going to be doing some gravel work. Try to get unloaded about 6 tons of gravel today by hand, so I'm gonna be working today. First things I'm gonna do before, I'm gonna paint this with some boiled linseed oil. I'm gonna just do this kind of roughly. It's okay if we get some spill. Instead of doing that, I'm gonna go get a cup. Okay, we got that coated. Looks pretty good. Let's get this trailer loaded up and get out of here. Got 2.3 tons. Decided to try this Fisker shovel out. Fiberglass. Doing pretty well. Trailer's doing really well so far. Really like the height of these. It's almost just enough cushion to not be hitting metal on metal with the shovel or whatever. It's pretty up here, kind of up on a little ways up the mountain, up with the pines. Gonna put gravel here, and over there we're gonna put some sod down and maybe seed some of it. So I said I was gonna return this, but I think I'll keep it. I could definitely use a bit more gravel. This is 4 tons of dolomite, 3/4. So, finish these edges. I'm gonna redo the driveway here and then redo the lawn out there. And we'll finish it after that. Looks good, it's not so muddy now. So, picking up some more gravel. I'm gonna have to weld that. I don't know if you can see, I noticed it bent a little, kind of popped off. I heard it pop. Today just kind of opening up my usable space out here in the front of the shop. So these wheels are doing a really nice job. I mean, earlier I had 2.3 tons plus weight of the trailer. Quite a bit of weight though. Truck handled it well. I just had gravel right here. Now I just added all that. For reference, anybody looking to buy some gravel and spread a pretty light coat, it's only an inch or two. That is from here over maybe 20 feet. That's 2 tons, almost exactly. So I'd actually like to gravel right there all the way around my loop.